Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to get 100% protection using surge protection device and RCBO circuit breaker. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single phase energy meter, voltage protection device, RCBO circuit breaker, electric kettle, phase connection input to energy meter, neutral connection input to energy meter, phase connection output from energy meter to connect voltage protection device, neutral connection output from energy meter to connect voltage protection device, output connection from voltage protection device to connect RCBO circuit breaker, output connection from RCBO circuit breaker to electric kettle, neutral connection from volt protection device to connect RCBO circuit breaker, neutral connection from RCBO circuit breaker to connect electric kettle, earth connection connected to electric kettle. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.